Minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
So today we'll be making a famous Mumbai style street food known as Bombay Masala Sandwich.
This recipe is very special to me because I am from Mumbai and I have lived on this sandwich during my college days and it tastes absolutely wonderful.
We post Indian as well as international recipes on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and do not forget to hit the
Bell icon.
So without any further delay, let's get started with
Bombay Masala Sandwich.
To make these sandwiches, you need to cut onions, tomatoes and capsicum in thin rings. Also, boil 4 medium potatoes. We made 4 sandwiches. Next, we will make a potato and spice filling. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Once hot, add half tablespoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. So we are adding curry leaves, which are aromatic fresh leaves used widely in the Indian subcontinent. Add mashed potatoes at this stage and mix well. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, half teaspoon turmeric and mix well. Add salt as per taste, coriander leaves, 1 chopped green chili, and lastly add some green peas. So this potato filling that we prepared is actually just eaten with rotis or chapatis in India. It is called aloo ki sabzi or batata bhaji. Now we'll be making the mint paste, also known as chutney. In a grinder, add coriander leaves, 1 green chili, mint leaves, ginger, some cold water and grind until it turns to a paste. Once done, add some salt as per taste and a pinch of pink salt and mix. So this green chutney has many variants and sometimes coconut is also added to it. Now we'll start prepping the bread. Add a layer of butter on 1 slice. Next, add the chutney and spread all over. On it, add the batata bhaji, that is the potato filling, and spread it evenly. Now add the onions, tomatoes and capsicum. You can add any other vegetables of your choice. Sprinkle some salt and some cumin powder. Take another slice of bread and spread some butter and chutney on it. So I was super excited to try this out and just blindly sprinkled grated cheese on this slice. But you can add the grated cheese on the vegetables itself. Complete the sandwich and press. Spread some butter on both the sides. Now we'll be roasting the bread. Heat a pan on low flame. Once it's hot enough, place the sandwich on it and press firmly so that the sandwich is grilled properly. Ideally, there are little sandwich toasters which help in making such sandwiches. Nonetheless, you can make these sandwiches even without toasters. Also, you can use a grilled pan to make the bread nice and toasty. After a while, flip the sandwich and toast the other side. Toast until the sides become crisp. Once done, cut into half. And there you have it, Mumbai street food right at home. Top it up with cheese and enjoy with some ketchup and chutney. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this video. Our last street food video we shared was Korean potato cheese pancakes.
And you guys shared us all your photos and videos of you preparing them. And we loved them.
Thank you so much for your love and support always.
It means the world to us. We are also planning to make more such street food recipes, so please stay tuned for more.
If you have any suggestions or queries, please let us know in the comments below, or you can DM us on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.